nuclear physics. Basically, this is first conference with this kind of in this particular region at Chitkara University. So this idea basically came into my mind 2 years before when Center for Nuclear Theory in India was proposed in a meeting held at IIT Roorkee during September 3 to 5, 2010. The purpose was to encourage the individuals working either independently or in a small groups. I have discussed this idea with Professor A.K. IIT Roorkee and started to work on this. Ultimately, this year on March 26, 2012, Chitkara University accepted the proposal. A very short time, 26th March and this November, and gave us a platform to the internationally scholars under a roof. And you can imagine, this is small time is small. So it was not possible, basically without the support of our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. Ashok Chitkara, Pro-Chancellor Dr. Madhu Chitkara, and Vice Chancellor Brigadier Dr. R.S. Grewal. I am really very thankful to the Professor A.K. Jain, Professor Radhesham, Professor D.K. Srivastava, Professor Wasi Haider sir, and Mr. Dr. P. Arumugam. That gentleman, really. And Dr. A. Nasiro from JINR Dubna. I can't forget that help, who helped and supported me continuously during this preparation of this event. I am especially thankful to Dr. S. Kailas, Director of Physics Group, BARC Mumbai, for appreciating the importance of this conference and the need of such kind of events into the particular in this region. The organizer basically acknowledged the Indian government agencies, especially BRNS, Mumbai, CSIR, DRDO, DST, and INSA for their financial support, which made this conference a reality. And more important thing is, I am really thankful to the all speaker who presented invited talk for agreeing my request in a very short time. Thanks to them for taking pain in coming to this place for personal interaction with the other participants. Thankful to the registration committee. With those efforts, basically participants could not get any difficulty in getting registered at the desk. The participants were properly treated at the registration desk, and also I am thankful to the persons who were involved in the registration of participants for their patience and attitude towards the participants. My special thanks are due to Colonel Y.C. Chibber, who has taken care of all the transportation and your local hospitality, food, etc. Along with Professor Varinder Kamar, Professor S.K. Mahajan sir, Dr. Rajneesh Sharma, Colonel Kulwant Singh, Dr. Busrajaman, Dr. Jigyasa Gar. Thanks are due to my dear colleague, Dr. Sitaram, Dr. Lalit Mohan, Dr. Ajay Sharma, Mr. Kuldeep Sharma, Nitin Sharma, Gurjeet, Nirankar, Iswar, Sunil, Jagmohan, Richa, Kanika, Madhu, Neha, Rajni, Sonam, Arpita, Manish. And most important person is Mr. Vidyut Panda, who is sitting back. Because without of that, it was not possible. He basically take care of all the participants, transportation, hospitality, and really you reduce my burden more than 90%. And first day I was comfortable. So due to this shortage of time, it is not possible for me to name of all those who actively were involved in this organization of this conference. But my sincere thanks are all due to them. Without their efforts and dedication, it was not possible basically. So this big event could have not been possible. So my sincere gratitude is all towards them. Thanks to all the advisory committee and the organizing committee. If somehow I missed the name, so please ignore me. And really, I am really very thankful to all of you. You came here at this location, at pretty isolated location, and you covered daily that 3-kilometer patch.
Yeah.
And that is really very difficult. So I'm really very thankful to all of you. Thank you.
Himachal Pradesh to once again extend our deepest sense of gratitude to all of you who have taken the trouble of coming not from different corner of India but from different part of the world. The whole credit, I think, goes to the organizer, but what I feel is without the participation of the delegates, all our efforts would not have borne that fruits which were